it's important to say the dua or the supplication that is in our mind or on our tongues as soon as we have the opportunity to say it. Once it comes to your mind, just utter it, say it. Let the supplication come out, release it, because you don't know when is the time for acceptance. Dua, when we call out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we all have needs. One wonders sometimes whether it will be given to us exactly as we are asking for it, because the Almighty has heard it without a doubt. He knows, and at the same time He responds. But whether or not He gives it to us exactly as we want, only He knows. So it's important for us to choose moments that are more blessed. And sometimes the minute you think of something, if you say it, it is something that would be giving preference to the Almighty over everything else. And sometimes, people think that, oh, we're very knowledgeable. But the truth is, we're not. We're not. We have a little bit of knowledge. It's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who is the owner of all knowledge. And our little knowledge compared to what even the other true scholars of deen have is absolutely no. So we need to know, let's swim in the ocean of knowledge and let's continue learning, continue correcting ourselves, and at the same time call out to the Almighty, ask Him, tell Him. At any given time, when you are walking, when you are driving, when you are at home, when you are in the kitchen, perhaps cooking, perhaps helping, just say, Ya Allah bless my child, Ya Allah bless me, Ya Allah protect me from evil. Think of these things, and the minute you think of it, make a dua, say it out, talk to your Maker. It develops a beautiful link between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and this is what we want. This is the sweetness. People feel scared, but they forget to say, oh Allah protect me from fear. People feel so much and they forget to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala things. People are worried about poverty and they don't say, Ya Allah protect us from poverty. People look at some others who perhaps are maimed or who do not have organs or who are sick and ill, and they forget to say, or they don't bother to say, oh Allah, at that split moment, oh Allah, grant me cure from sickness. Oh Allah, I thank you for what you've given me. Really, these are some of the words that need to be on our mouths. It is the spicing of the words that we really need through the speech that we have.